Hello dear students, welcome to my channel. Students, today we solve Sheet-2 class 7 mathematics and the chapter is operation on rational number. So basic level questions. So first question number 1. Find the additive inverse of minus 7 by 8. We know that additive inverse means the plus will be minus and the minus will be plus. So answer is plus 7 by 8. Now next question, identity element of multiplication is 1. You should remember for addition is 0 and the subtraction does not exist. Okay. Now next question, find the fill in the blanks 9 by 4, question number 3. That is 9 by 4 into dash is equal to 1. You should remember when a number is given and multiply then equal to 1, it will be the reciprocal, that is 4 by 9. Okay. Now next question number 4. The sum of a number and the additive inverse is always equal to 0. We already covered in sheet 1. Next question number 5. Add 4 by 9 plus 7 by 4. First you take the LCM, that is 9 and 4 LCM is 36. Then 4 9 4 ja 4 4 ja 16, 4 9 ja 9 7 ja 63, or add the sum, that is 639 617 divided by 36, converted into mixed number. 36 2 ja 72, that is 7 by 36. Okay, how to convert? Now simply you can divide 79 with 36. 36 2 ja 72, then 7, this will be numerator, this is the whole part, this is the denominator. Okay. Now next question number 6. What is the multiplicative inverse of the minus 2 whole 1 by 3? Now first we convert, that is 2 3 ja 6 1 7 minus 7 by 3, means indirectly it will ask, that is minus 7 by 3 multiplicative inverse is minus 3 by 7. Okay. Or you remember multiplicative inverse, or we can say that it will be equal to reciprocal. Okay. Now next question number 7. Simplify. So how to simplify? First write down 5 by 4 minus 7 by 6 minus 2 by 3. So first write down 5 by 4 minus 7 by 6 minus plus 2 by 3, because minus into minus equal to plus. So take LCM, that is 6, 4 and 3. The LCM is 12. Then 4 3 ja 3 into 5, that is 15, minus 6 2 ja 2 7 ja 14, plus 3 4 4 2 ja 8. So 15 minus 14, that is 1 plus 8 divided by 12, that is 9 by 12. When we simplify, the answer is 3 3 ja 3 4 ja. The answer is 3 by 4. Clear? Now next question, verify. So question number 8. So first take LHS and here is RHS in right side. So here is x plus y and RHS is y plus x. So put the value of x, that is 1 by 2, plus y is 3 by 5. So take LCM is 10, 2 5 ja 5 2 3 ja 6, 6 5 11 by 10. Similarly RHS 3 by 5 plus 1 by 2. Now take LCM is 10, 5 2 ja 2 3 ja 6, 2 5 ja, that is 11 by 10. So we can say that LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, proved. Now next question, question number 9. Simplify 6 divided by 55 into minus 22 by 9 bracket minus 26 by 125 into minus 10 divided by 39. Okay, first multiply means we can multiply numerator into numerator, that is 6 into minus 22 equal to 55 into 9 minus 26 into minus 10 divided by 125 into 39. So cancel 3 2 ja, 3 3 ja, 11 minus 2 ja, 11 5 ja, here 13 2 ja, 13 3 ja, then 5 5 2 ja, 5 5 ja, then 5 2 ja. So answer is minus minus plus minus minus 2 2 ja 4, 5 3 ja 15, again plus minus minus 4 divided by 25 3 ja 75. Okay, now minus minus plus, so minus 4 by 15 plus 4 by 75, then take LCM is 75, 15 5 ja, 5 4 ja 20, so minus 20 plus 4, so answer is minus 16 divided by 75, because different sign, so we subtract and put the big number sign. So answer is minus 16 by 75. Okay, now next question, question number 10. Find the cost of 3 whole 1 by 3 meter of cloth at rupees 40 whole 1 by 2 per meter. Means cost of 1 meter cloth is equal to 40 whole 1 by 2 rupees. Yes or no? Now find the cost of 3 whole 1 by 3 meter cloth is equal to, will be multiplied, that is 40 whole 1 by 2 into 3 whole 1 by 3. Okay, now converted into improper fraction, that is 42 ja 80, 81 by 2 into 3 3 ja 9, 1 10 by 3. So 2 5 ja, then 3 27. So 27 5 ja, 5 7 ja 35, 5 2 ja 10, 3 13. So answer is 135 rupees. Okay. Now question number 11. LHS. So what is LHS? Now x into y into z. So LHS is equal to x into y into z, and the bracket is y into z. So put the value, that is x equal to 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 into, so z is 5 by 7. Okay, 5 by 7. First we multiply y into z. So first write down 1 by 2. So 5 2 ja 10 divided by 7 3 ja 21. Again multiply 10 1 ja 10, 21 2 ja 42. Now find the RHS. So RHS equal to x into y bracket, then into z. So x, put the value, that is 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 bracket into 5 by 7. Yes or no? So 1 2 ja 2 divided by 6, or we can cancel. Here we can also cancel 2 5 ja. So answer is 5 by 21. Okay. So here 2 2 cancel. The answer is 1 by 3 into 5 by 7. So 5 1 ja 5 divided by 7 3 ja 21. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS and proved. Okay. So completed. Already sheet 1 will be completed. If you not see the session, you can see by click on I button, okay, or go to the playlist. So complete. Till then, thank you.